Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. This is Shiva here, and how are you all? Hope all are doing well and good. So before getting into today's video, in the previous video I asked you guys to draw a smile instead of that circle. So this is how you do it. Now actually here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values, but if you instead of pi you can use values. Pi means half circle, half pi means quarter circle. Now this is the first value is x-axis, y-axis, like that. Pi is known as the mod. Now instead of mod you can use the start and end points of the first point and the second point, but in the cases of a half circle or quarter circle you can use pi or half pi. For suppose, make sure you write it in bold letters, not bold, like capital letters. See, so now we decide a quarter circle here. See, so this is the solution for how to draw a smile instead of the face which we drew in the previous video. So we are back again with Alex. Now for this video, now we are going to talk about how to color. Now as this looks a very little bit dull, white and black lines like the 1950s, 1980s black and white, right? So I define the background here as white. So the background is white. Now let's change it into pink, maybe. Yeah, this looks a bit beautiful. Now I want, as this is a smiley, let's imagine a sponge ball, which is a smiley kind of thing. You get that, right? Sponge balls in market, like that, let's imagine, and they look in yellow, so the face should be yellow. So now we can't put here background and write again yellow. The background would be yellow with, as when you run the code, the interpreter reads the code from top to bottom. So first it will define the background as pink, the background will be set to pink, and when it comes to this line it would see that it is changed to yellow. Now we would see yellow. So to solve that issue we need to add the fill statement. Now using the fill statement you can change your whatever functions come after the fill statement will be colored in the specific color you mentioned to that. So I want to define it as yellow, right? Now all became yellow, but I want the eyes to be in black color. So we define another fill statement. With this what happens is, fill statement, it is defined as yellow, so whatever functions before this fill statement would be given the color yellow. So for now I will give the second fill statement black color, black. Now remember, you need to write these colors in quotes, otherwise P5 cannot understand it. So make sure you use the brackets, means the quotes, in between them write the color you want. Whoa. Now you see the arc is also looking black, and now it looks like a devil, a monster. So I don't want that to happen. So as you can see, what is happening is we defined the fill as black. So these three statements are given the color black. So you see this half circle got the color black. So to avoid that, and we don't want any color also, we just want a little smiley face. So to solve that problem, you need to add no fill. So you need to put two brackets. See, now when you write a small f, the text would be not in bold. So when you see this arc or ellipse or fill, these are in bold. This means that the function is recognized by P5 interpreter. So if you type in capital F, you need not put any value in between. Just put in this statement, no fill. Now run the code. Ta-da! We have no color to our arc. But wait a minute. Our smile does not look so nice. Means it's very thin. We want our smile to look like something darker and thicker. So for that, we have this stroke function in P5JS. Now you go to the reference. There you can find in color, see, stroke. In stroke, we define a value. So let us type in stroke. We just define a value to that how many pixels thicker we want our smile to be. For now, let's define it as 20. Nothing happened. Obviously nothing will happen because before the stroke statement we need to add another statement known as stroke weight. This defines, here you can see, let me show. See this stroke weight statement. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Yeah, stroke weight. So by this we would be getting, wait a second. We would be getting, now let's put it as 5. Whoa. Now everything became thicker. Now this looks a bit better. So I think so this should work. We need to again add a capital S. Bapre. No, it does not. It works. Yeah. Now we just only want the stroke weight in our arc, right? So we don't want it on our eyes. So I'll add a no stroke statement here also. No stroke. Sorry, yaar. Semicolon. But if you type in no stroke, all the color would go and you would see nothing. So better remove this. Run the code. This looks a bit better. Let's change the color of our eyes to green maybe. Looks better. So with this you learn how to color your drawings. So nice. Let's revise. So what we learned today? We learned the fill statement. Now with the fill statement you would be defining the code to put a color into the following all functions. Now after this, if you define something and another fill function, the functions in between those two fill functions will have the first fill statement's color, and the rest after the second fill will have all the color you gave. So the second one is no fill. With this you can remove the color, means stop the chain, remove the color of the following functions after it. So the third one is stroke. With stroke you can make your lines or circles or any 2D primitives into a thicker ones, like you can see them more efficiently. So the third one is stroke weight. Now the stroke weight defines the thickness of your stroke. So if I put 100, our Alex would be crying now. See what happened to our Alex? Oh no. 50. See how thicker is Alex. Oh my god. So let's stop playing with Alex. Poor child is crying. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked my explanation, please do like this video. And if you are new to our channel, please do hit that subscribe button. See you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.